Hello, so welcome to the Treble Crochet Society. I'm Kelly, and today I'm going to show you how to make a treble crochet. So, treble crochet, you make these 3 sets of loops on your hook, and make this really long post. Okay, so the treble is a US term. The UK term would be a double treble. And to make it, you're going to yarn over on your hook and yarn over again. So you have 3 loops on your hook to start with. Then hook into your loop, yarn over, pull through a loop. So now you have 4 loops on your hook. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, leaving 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again, pull through the next 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And that is the treble crochet. So I'll just grab some more yarn and I'll show you again. So yarn over once, yarn over twice to have 3 loops on your hook. Hook into your stitch, yarn over and pull through a loop. So now you have 4 loops on your hook. Then yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And that is your treble crochet. So I hope you find that useful, and if you're looking for many more crochet tips, advice, or just a helpful community to come and chat with, please do come to my Facebook group, the Treble Crochet Society. The link is in the description, and you can click on my banner as well. That'll bring you over. But if you have any questions, please do come ask. If there's something that you would like me to make a video on to help make things easier for you, please let me know. I'm always looking to add to my tutorials, so if there's anything you need, please do say. And I will see you again next time. Bye for now.